Welcome to jzgraphics. In this video, I will teach you how to create this type of drop shadow in Adobe Photoshop. So, let's get it started. First, go to the Type tool, and type your text. Select all, and change its color to black. Press Ctrl+T and adjust its size and position. Go to the Rectangle tool and create a shape. Apply the stroke to none and fill white to it. And round its corners a little bit. Bring the rectangle layer down. Right-click on it, and open the blending options. Apply the drop shadow to it. Follow my settings here. And hit OK. Click on Drop Shadow and choose Create Layer. And hit OK. Then right-click on it, and choose Warp. And follow me. And decrease its opacity to around 80%. And it's done. Subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for more updates.